ebyuma byange mbina very sophisticated kakati nkubuulira ne bamuddamu ne bamuyita bamwijjemu organize nti simanyi akawala bakayita kali kakolaga baali bataddewo base ewandegeya nga ba establishing network mu malwaliro gonna to kill people for organ extraction. Akawala ne kamukubira essimu yalina waabo mulumbe nemugamba essimu gireeti negiteeka mu kyuma ng'essimu yeemu yeeyambisibwa dokita erugazi essimu yeemu nga yeeyambisibwa Albert Cook eyo batyenyoya lana away from them. Essimu yeemu nga yeeyambisibwa ekiruddu essimu yeemu nga yeeyambisibwa emasaka. Kakati bwenkubira dokita Werugazi, Dr. Werugazi responded, no, you see, I've already surrendered this my junior to the police. I told him, why? Why did you surrender this man? What I'm saying, this is a common number. Bali batadde network in hospitals. The late Professor Kanyerezi came to me and confessed and left the list of people who are extracting organs for export. Najimpa yonna. If I was a Western, the Westerners have this problem of humiliating people and okubajoga. Singa nze nali mubi ngabo bwe bagala okutta abaana bange naki. I have a wealth of evidence against the people who were killing doctors, who were killing Siziba Wanga. This Professor Kanyerezi came to me. He told me, I have a lawyer. My son is a lawyer. Let's jakuja. I have a list of people who are using hospitals to extract organs for sale. Omwana wange ne bamutta Albert Cook ne bamugyamu organs. I have two doctors. One is in the United States, another one is here. Era babadde bamukomyawo ayati twapira n'abaana bange babiri mu United States. Kakati omukazi naawe. What is intriguing, which President Museveni must understand? The NRM, Museveni, is in the situation which Obote had in 1985. Look, the issue is not battling my son.
Yeah.
I have survived. Imagine, why do I believe in it? This Nkofira belongs to my religion. I'm a celebration of the Mass. In Nkofira ya bulogo. Yes. Kakati kankoboli. What saved my son? A soldier, a military police soldier, who was given to this man called Diga, a chibi, a kitemu, a chikwata abakazi. That's why Museveni failed in Uganda. Because twamulaba ng'akutte full figure, akutte kusasira, akutte kiwanda, twamuta. Did I participate in the elections? I knew that Museveni yali agenda kugwa. And Museveni will never regain any political inch in Uganda. As far as this hooligan, a goon called Diga, ayine motoka Museveni gyamuwa. Ayina abasekere ba military police abamukuuma. Ye yali tamanyi ne kandiho nti ebyuma byange I monitor all my conservatives. Namutegeera this goon emotoka teyagitambuliramu yagenda mu motoka buno obutono nga mulaba namulaba oluvannyuma stationed there nalagira omuserikale omwamukuuma nakuba omwana wange bat namwasuluba military police. Kakati kankubuulire, why is Museveni in danger? President Museveni, you are in danger. You are like a Obote in 1985. Why? Look at it. The issue is not attacking my son. How can a soldier fail to shoot him and hit him? Yes. Did they know? Did Kandiho know? Did this idiot Yiga know that I was monitoring them? My children are monitored. My wife is monitored. Does anybody know? Pakistan can acquire Kaga. No, there is nothing with this technology. Yes, I have it. One of them said, to consider relatives, Yabula jacket to repair my monitors.